299. Okay, and then go ahead and change your if. It should have been 3. Your first register should have been 3. Yeah, pallet 2, and then that should be 5. Yeah, 5. Yep. So if the number placed on pallet 2 is equal to whatever we're saying the full amount is, jump to label 99. Okay, so next you just need to go ahead and go down like one line, and then you need to like record a couple positions. So go to position, hit your little next button, yeah, that one. Position, joint is fine. Yeah, just do a joint fine. It's okay. And then go ahead and like shift and then jog down -Z. Okay, actually hit the shift button again. Hit the coordinate button. Okay, see up there at the top, it's telling you what frame you're in. Joint or world, right? So now you're in world. World, remember, gives you the triad, and you move in a linear motion. And you can see it directly from the robot right now. X is this direction. And so you'll use the right hand rule, which the right hand rule means you do your hand like this, and then you point this finger away from the face of the robot, or the way away from the front of the robot. X direction, X positive will be away from the robot's base in the front, and then Y positive will be to the left of the robot's base, and then Z positive will be up from the robot's base. So we can see the same thing here with this triad. This is what would be considered the front of the base of the robot. So your right hand rule should always go like this. So like this to match, and you should face, like, so I'm turning my hand like this because that's exactly how it should be. You know what I mean? Because that's where the face of the robot is, right here. And you can see it right here too. See, it tells you, see how there's a Z positive, X positive, Y positive. So I can grab this, move it. Okay, now we'll just record a second point there.